we're not about to be paying goddamn $300 to get our hair done. That's what we're not doing. No, Miss Ma'am. Hey y'all, so I'm going to see Beyonce, which means that I need to do something to this head. So I did these knotless braids, I think about a month ago now. And let's just say if I lift this up, it ain't that cute, okay? So I'm gonna do the front over like these. And also I realized I never filmed this actual process step by step, and I'm gonna help the little girlies because we're not about to be paying goddamn $300 to get our hair done. That's what we're not doing. No, Miss Ma'am. Okay, so I got the back kind of clipped up. I got some scissors and I'm gonna just pray that my hair is, I don't think my hair is nowhere near here, but you know how you just get scared? My hair long, but it ain't this long, but I be scared. But y'all, I'm so excited to see Beyonce. This is my first time ever seeing her. Honestly, this is like my first concert that I've ever been to. And I'm just so excited because like, I could never afford going to a tour or like a concert of this magnitude. I've only been to festivals and it's only been like in my now adult years, but I don't know, this is kind of low-key healing. I've been loving Beyonce ever since I was like small, like that. I probably came out the womb loving Beyonce. But I'm not about to bore y'all with this process. I'm just gonna take these all out and then I will see you guys in a minute. All right, so here comes the part that y'all been waiting for, how I did these knotless braids. The first thing I did when I did these is that I parted everything. So I parted the whole back of my head, and I do have some clips that I'll probably insert. Now this part of my head's always like a little thinner. I got edges, but it's just a little thinner. So I got this hair from Amazon. I can include the link. I think I got 8 packs for $20, so that's a steal. And when I tell y'all, it's like some of the most softest hair that I've ever had. Now granted, I don't do hair, but this made doing my hair so easy and a breeze. So yeah, and it's called Easy Braid, so it makes your life easy. I took small pieces, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna split them just equally. And I normally do like about this much because I'm gonna feed them all in to create the braid that I want. Now for the curly pieces, I use like this hair that I also got on Amazon, and it was pretty relatively cheap for a human curly hair. And what I did is I took the bundle and I literally butchered it. Like, hate to tell you, but I butchered this. So I'm just gonna cut all the hair off the wefts, and then I'm gonna separate them into smaller pieces. And then you'll see how I feed them in and everything. I'll show you. So I started off first by acting like I'm just gonna regularly like plait my hair by taking 3 strands. So 1, 2, and 3. And I'm just gonna start it like a regular plait. Start like a regular plait. And then in between my pointer and my thumb right here, I'm gonna take the piece of hair that we have, and I have to do this at the very tippy top because if not, it's gonna look kind of weird. And we're gonna braid it in, and then, like I said, thumb and pointer, or whatever you got your hand on. You know, for me, it's both. So between those two, and then just continue going. And so how I add in the pieces, you're gonna take your piece, and this might be too big, but we're gonna try it anyway. And then normally what I'll do is, I don't know if I can do this and also record, but I'm gonna take this in, I'm gonna put some gel on it, but I do it using my mouth. So then you got this like kind of pointy piece to insert and feed in, because if not, it's gonna be kind of blunt. I mean, granted, you might have to cut it in anyway. And then using the same method that I did between your thumb and like your pointer or your middle or both or whatever, you're just gonna go in, put it in, put the other end to the side, and you're gonna braid it in. And you wanna braid this in a couple of times before you hit this move. And you just fling it to the top. And so that's how you do that. And because this braid is getting like a little skimpy, I'm gonna add another piece of hair, feeding it in the same way that I did the first ones. And that's pretty much how you do this. You just repeat this process like a ton of times. The thing with this, put this here. And y'all, this is real realistic as it get because I just put that thing in my mouth. And I'm gonna feed it in. And then I'm just gonna braid it in a little bit. And then once I think that I got the braid in pretty good, I'm gonna fling it over. And there we have it.
All right, so I'm not about to bore y'all with this whole process. So this is just me speeding along, doing my hair. And y'all, this took me forever. I don't know why I thought this was gonna be quick and easy to do like 10 little braids, but no, this took me probably about an hour to do 10 braids. And y'all, I'm smiling because my boyfriend had came in, he was giving me tea about the neighbors or whatever. But yeah, and don't mind that big patch right there. I told y'all my hair, I don't know what happened. It's like a little thin of that section. So I had to make 2 sections be 1 braid, and y'all know how that go. So this is just me speeding along. And I'm really proud of myself, y'all, because I don't do hair. Like, I don't do hair at all. So if I can do it, y'all can do it. Okay?
Okay, so now we're done that. That was a lot. I think everything came out good. Here's the back. Like I said, I did this about a month ago, and I just did the front. And here are the ones that we did.
So once again, this is the back. I think we ate the girls up with this one, y'all. And we are planning to be God's favorite, because you know God's favorite is a woman that could do her own braids, okay? And I think we did it. So once again, if I could do it, and I had no skills whatsoever, y'all can too. I have faith in y'all. So if you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I will literally talk to y'all all day down. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.